break and retest to the upside, or we can have a break and retest to the downside. And so the second option, break and retest to the downside, that's actually what happened. So I'm going to break down why that was a valid setup you could have taken. So if we just break this down a little bit more, we eventually have our break to the ups to the downside, right? So here we were inside the zone. This was our second tap. Now, after the second tap, I was looking for longs only if we broke above this level, but we didn't, right? We actually broke below this level. And so this is where I start looking for shorts with order flow to confirm. So this is what we're going to be looking for. So inside of this zone, so again, this key level was 68.40 to 68.50 area. So this was a level I pre-planned yesterday on the weekend, right? This is a key level in the market. So when we come into this key level, what we had initially was we had these aggressive sellers, but the market rallied higher, right? So we're seeing the absorption of sellers. So there were passive buyers present. But when we break below the zone, those same passive buyers that were here at 68.50, they did not show up, right? They did not show up. We actually had the passive buyers failing, right? So we had passive buyers failing, but more importantly, if we look over here, we actually had a ton of aggressive buyers here, aggressive buyers. And so what order flow does is it allows you to analyze the price action and the orders inside of the key level. Meaning, when you have a lot of aggressive sellers, a lot of aggressive buyers over here, but we break below the zone, it goes to show you aggressive buyers were unsuccessful. And so that's what we had over here, right? So I think I drew a separate screenshot of this. So yeah, so what we had here is we had a lot of buyer absorption inside the key level. So once you plan your key level, you're looking for buy and sell orders inside of the key level, and you're looking for follow through after an absorption. So what do I mean by absorption? Absorption is a fancy way of saying which limit orders failed, which limit orders were trapped, which limit orders were unable to break above the zone. So we had a lot of aggressive buyers and we had a break below. And so these are the questions I often get the most. So my execution was here. So that was